Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita Nair, and if you're new here, I hope you stick around. And if you've been here a while, I hope you've subscribed and liked this video because it gives me motivation to make more content. This video has been a long time coming because I have been filming for the past 3 weeks, and there's been hours and hours of footage that I have had to edit, which I was not looking forward to at all. And I kind of look a little busted right now. It's because I'm so tired and I'm chumming and I'm sleepy. So just ignore my face. By the title you must have figured out what we're doing today. So I decided to follow a trending fitness challenge right now because we're all stuck in quarantine and we're all doing home workout. Chloe Ting is basically a YouTuber that makes fitness videos. She's also a fitness trainer. She's basically made a lot of videos and combined them into different challenges of sort. You can find all the scheduling and stuff on her website, and I'll put it on the screen right now.
Just go on chloeting.com. That's Chloe Ting. She's really cute. Anywho, you click on programs and you see all of the videos and challenges that she has created along with the duration of it. As I'm doing the 2-week shred, I just click on it and the program opens up. You can see all of the videos that you do for this challenge along with the sequence that you have to do it in, and the scheduling of the rest days, etc. You can also just click on the thumbnail and it will redirect you to a YouTube channel where you find these videos that you can follow.
Hey everyone, today's
It's
workout
really
is only
efficiently
30
done,
minutes and it's
and
gonna work your
yep.
whole body. You can do this.
I decided to do the 2-week shred challenge because I've been seeing a lot of people making videos and trying to attempt this challenge, including my sister and my friends, and they have said that it shows results. So I was like, if something shows results in 2 weeks, why not just try it out? And this will probably spare you the effort if it doesn't work out. I've been working the night shifts, so I try to maintain a consistent pattern of the time I work out at. So I've been working out at 2 a.m., which I don't know how it impacts my body and this workout schedule, but it is what it is. I've also tried to manage my food intake during these 2 weeks. So basically I haven't been maintaining any diet while doing this challenge. Coming up will be 2 weeks worth of workout videos of mine combined into just 7 minutes. I will keep my commentary running behind because I want you all to know how I felt in the moment while doing the workout. I'll put all the timestamps in the description so you can just skip to the results if you want. At the end of this video, we will be talking about what difference my body has seen, how the difference in how I feel, and if I think you should be doing this challenge or no. So let's get to it. Hi guys, welcome to the first day of the Chloe Ting challenge. I'm just having some black coffee so I have energy to do the workout. It's a 2-video workout program today, and it's just for 23 minutes, so hopefully I'll be able to complete it soon. And it's really late at night because I decided to do this after my shift. It's like 2 a.m. So I will see you on my workout screen.
The first ever video that we're going to do for this challenge is the 13-minute shred video, which is going to be mandatory for all the days. It consists of various exercises for 30 seconds with 5 to 10 seconds break in between. It gets super tiring. You have 3 sets of these exercises.
And I just got done with the first video. I still have the second video for today to do. I think I'll take a 5 minutes break before continuing. I don't sweat this much, honestly, ever.
The ab workouts come next. This is more tiring because it consists of 2 exercises back to back, but it's also more fun, so you don't mind it that much. The entire workout today is 23 minutes. Please don't judge my form.
I'm so happy and so tired. Like, look at how much I'm sweating. I don't know if you can see it. Fuck, it's insane. Anyways, day 1 over. I will see you tomorrow, day after, whenever. Today there's gonna be 3 videos, and one of them is optional, but I'll try to do all 3. As you can see, there's no electricity today because there was a storm in my city, but I will try to get some footage for the video, doing it for YouTube.
Day 2 has those two videos that we already spoke about and a third optional video which is so hard because each exercise is 40 seconds and it absolutely kills you. All three videos together are for 33 minutes. Hi people, day 3 of working out. Today we have 4 videos. So a 45 minutes workout to do. It's gonna be the most grueling. Day 3 consists of all the 3 videos we've already spoken about. Look at me trying so hard to get it right. Even my phone's dead. And a fourth video, which is my favorite out of all of the videos that we're doing, the lower body workout. This entire workout schedule takes up to 45 minutes on the third day.
Hi guys, day 4 of the Chloe Ting challenge. I've got my black coffee, 3 videos today, and you know the drill. Also, I've waxed after like 20,000 years, so I decided to wear my new Puma gear, and I'll link the haul at the end of this video. I hope you've already watched it and I hope you enjoy watching it again.
Day 4 consists of 3 videos, 2 of the mandatory videos that we've already spoken about, and one other video which focuses on core and arms. I've realized that when you wear nice clothes working out, you feel so much better and you have the energy to work out, and your form also looks better when you feel better. The entire workout today is for 45 minutes. Rest day. Yay! Day 6 consists of 3 videos. By this point it's so much easier to work out and stay motivated. Also, I feel like I'm kind of looking shredded today. A little bit, not much, but a little bit. Day 7 consists of 4 videos of 45 minutes workout, which by this point you should be used to, but you aren't. Also, please ignore my clothes. I just did not feel like working out at all.
Hi, can we just take a moment to appreciate my super cute Puma outfit that I bought recently?
Day 8 consists of these 3 workouts, including my favorite lower body burn and an optional 4th workout which is only 3 minutes long and based on an Ariana Grande song. The entire workout today is for 38 minutes. Rest day, woohoo! Day 10 consisted of the longest workout ever and I was so lazy to record because it was 47 minutes. Day 11 was the best day ever because it was just a 23 minutes workout with the 2 mandatory videos. I was so happy that I even recorded a TikTok of me doing the workout. So follow me on there.
New sports wear for today.
Day 12 consisted of 4 videos and this was up to 45 minutes long. I don't remember that much of the workout, but I do remember that I was very lazy. Day 13 consisted of 3 videos, 33 minutes long, and the last day I do the dreaded 11 line abs workout because I hate that shit.
Hi guys, it's officially the last day of my 2 weeks Chloe Ting shred challenge, and I have a 47-minute workout today. I'm feeling kind of nostalgic already. Also, I did my hair kind of differently today. I think it looks kind of cute. Anyways, let's go.
The last day consists of 4 videos for 47 minutes, and to be honest, it did not feel that long. The last day made me nostalgic and made me realize how much I enjoy working out, how good building stamina feels, and how good your body feels when you're active.
Sweating like an absolute pig right now. I'm going to add images for clearer view, but look at that. What a workout. almost tiring to even watch, I'm sure. 2 weeks worth of training rigorously, according to me, it was pretty rigorous. By the end of the challenge, I had splinters on my feet, and look at that. Because of all the planks that we did. I'm sure you've been eagerly waiting for me to tell you how the results were. So, here are my measurements before, and these are my measurements after. And as you can see, I have literally lost no weight. When you're doing a fitness challenge, weight isn't important, because when you start working out, you build more muscle rather than losing weight. So that's not an accurate judge of how you should be measuring yourself. I kind of forgot to measure myself at the start of the challenge, so these measurements of before are in the middle of the challenge. So basically I lost inches in just 1 week of doing this challenge, which I'm so surprised about because I was not expecting it at all. If you're consistently working out even before attempting this challenge, you won't see any drastic changes in your body. I already had a fairly regular workout schedule. The good thing about this workout is that it's not targeted towards one part of the body, so you actually see a change. Your entire body loses weight or gains muscle as a whole. So I was really happy about how this workout made me feel, how every part of my body was getting worked up. I'll put on the screen my before and after of how I look. I think you can see quite a result. 2 inches in just 2 weeks, that's a very good workout schedule. A little baby muscle. So I also saw my arm strength increase a little, because I think I'm able to do like a few push-ups now. As you can see, there's more definition in my calf muscles also by now. I was already able to do the workout at a stretch, but I could feel my stamina building, and I could feel the need of not taking as many breaks. You can't just maintain a good diet just for 2 weeks and then let it go. It should be a lifestyle by now. If I'm not ready to maintain that kind of a lifestyle, I didn't even attempt to do it. 100%, if you aren't working out or if you haven't joined a gym or something, you should definitely try it out. She's made well-rounded videos working out all parts of the body, and it's very clear to understand her instructions. Even if you're new to working out, I think you'll see some results. Just don't get upset when you step on the weighing scale and you see no change, or if you're feeling too tired the first few days of doing it. I can honestly tell you, you'll feel so much better after 1 week or 2 weeks. If you're doing a workout, please don't stop after 2 weeks. Take up a new challenge, do something else. Just keep at it. If you're consistent, that's when you'll see results. 2 weeks aren't going to make a difference, but 1 month might, 2 months might, and then it'll just become a lifestyle, and your chance of getting cardiac diseases will reduce. If you want to know anything about the challenge, please comment down below and I will try my best to respond. If you feel like I should try out any other challenges that you've been a little dicey about, I'll definitely give it a shot. And there's a lot of content coming your way, so I hope you stick around. So I just asked my sister if I missed out anything on this video, and she said no, so I hope I did. But if I did, please let me know in the comments and I will